Welcome to the Man in the Middle. I'm your host, Bill West. About 5 hours ago, looks like John Schaffer's attorneys have filed to have all charges against him dismissed. Let's go to the article on loudersound.com, and here we go. Attorneys for iStar's John Schaffer filed motion to have U.S. Capitol building riot charges against him dismissed. This says 4 hours ago. I looked at it about an hour ago, so it should be 5 hours ago. But this is by Metal Hammer. Attorneys acting Attorneys acting on behalf of iStar's John Schaffer has filed a motion to dismiss all charges leveled against him for his role in the U.S. Capitol riots on January 6th. As recorded by Metal Sucks, Schaffer's attorneys are citing the Speedy Trial Act, claiming the government has failed to properly indict Schaffer within 30 days of his arrest. The motion specifies the government has not filed either an information or indictment, and the complaint must be dismissed. As of March 8th, Schaffer was still being held in the same Marion County, Indiana jail he has been in since turning himself in on January 17th, a time period of 48 days. The 6 charges facing Schaffer are 1. Knowingly entering or remaining in any restricted building or grounds without lawful authority. 2. Disrupting the orderly conduct of government business. 3. Knowingly engages in an act of physical violence against any person or property in any restricted building or grounds. 4. Violent entry and disorderly conduct in a Capitol building. 5. Engaging in an act of physical violence in a Capitol building. 6. Parading, demonstrating, or picketing in a Capitol building. While Schaffer has not commented on his involvement, the remaining members of iStar's declared their opposition in the following statement. We absolutely do not condone, nor do we support the riots are acts of violence that the rioters were involved in on January 6th at the Capitol building. We hope all those involved that day are brought to justice to be investigated and answer for their actions. 2 Madden members, Stu Block and Luke Appleton, also quit the band in the wake of Schaffer's arrest. All right, so the riots were on January 6th. He turned himself in on the 17th and has been there for 48 days. I believe that my camera is off. There we go. I believe that those people who stormed the Capitol should be brought to justice and should face their crimes. I also believe that the government has the right or has the responsibility to do so speedily. I believe that the article said that they had 30 days to do it. It's been 48. It's time to cut bait, or to fish or cut bait. If they can't bring the charges, they need to let these people go. I'm not just talking about John Schaffer. I'm talking anybody that they've been holding for over 30 days. If you can't indict them by this time, you don't have a case. They have these people on camera. They have them dead to rights. They haven't brought them to trial, or indicted them. So it's the government's fault. They should have done it by now. And I think the law's the law. Yeah, it's unfortunate he played stupid games. He got caught up in the madness. He invaded the Capitol. Yeah, that's wrong. He should pay for that. But the government also has the responsibility to do so speedily, and they haven't done it. So, unfortunately, it's time for him to cut him and anybody else loose. That's the law as well. You can't have it both ways. You can't arrest him and not indict him. It's time to end it. Let them go. Let them all go. If you held them for 30 days and you haven't indicted them, it's time for them to go. So, that's my take on it. I'm not a lawyer. I don't know much about the law, but I do know I do understand what the law says. So that's just me. I hope you had a good day, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.